What is the slope-intercept from four perpendicular lines? Imagine you're drawing two lines that cross each other at a perfect right angle. How do you figure out the equation for the second line if you already know the first? That's what we're going to explore today. The slope-intercept form of a line is written as y equals mx plus b here. M is the slope, which tells us how steep the line is, and b is the y-intercept, where the line crosses the y-axis. When lines are perpendicular, their slopes have a special relationship. They are negative reciprocals of each other. What does that mean? Well, if one line has a slope of m, then the line crossing it at a right angle will have a slope of -1 divided by m. So, if the first line's slope is 2, the perpendicular line's slope will be -1/2. If the slope is 3/4, the perpendicular slope becomes -4/3. To find the equation of a line perpendicular to a given line, start by identifying the original slope from its equation. Then, flip that slope into its negative reciprocal. Next, pick a point that the new line passes through. This could be any point on the plane, like x1, y1. Once you have the new slope and a point, you can plug those into the slope-intercept form. Substitute the slope for m and the points x and y values into the equation y equals mx plus b, then solve for b, the y-intercept. For example, suppose the original line is y equals for x minus 10. Its slope is 4. The perpendicular slope will be -1/4. If the perpendicular line passes through the point 2, 4, plug these into the equation. For equals -1/4 times 2 plus b. Calculate -1/4 times 2, which is -1/2. So, for equals -1/2 plus b, add 1/2 to both sides to find b. For plus 1/2 equals b, that gives us for and a half, or for 0.5. Now, write the new line's equation. Y equals -1/4 x plus for 0.5. This is the slope-intercept form of the line perpendicular to the original. Knowing how to find the slope of a perpendicular line helps you graph right angles easily. It also makes solving problems involving linear relationships much simpler. Remember, the key is flipping the slope into its negative reciprocal and then using a point to find the y-intercept. That way, you can quickly write the equation of any line perpendicular to another.